about the sexual energy. I tell you what, raw foods can sometimes take it away because your sexual energy is more down in the gonadal areas. In the Eastern religions, that's the lower chakra. However, raw foods brings you up to here. So sometimes that shuts down there. I've always said that for a raw foodist, if he wants to enjoy some lovemaking, you better have a piece of meat. That's not probably true, but it does turn on the lower chakras. We know that, or the lower gonadal areas. But to make the male and female areas healthy and the adrenal glands healthy is to eat a raw food diet and to work with these glands, with the glandulars or the herbs for them, clean the kidneys and get the lymph system moving. The lymph system can impair blood flow to these tissues and create all types of male ejaculation problems and the like. So the sexuality is very much related to the health of the human body in every way. And the same thing with females. How you keep your sexual organs healthy is that you make them healthy. And what brings things down? Acid side of chemistry and the lymph side of chemistry. You want good blood flow because that brings everybody down if that ain't happening. And I've always said if you want to have some good sex, have a piece of meat before you have it, because it's so, and I want to use the word irritant, or it's definitely astral. So it's really sexual organs. But that the animal level is a very sexual level, and if meat definitely turns on the gonads. It's also full of epinephrine, so obviously it's going to stimulate adrenals neurologically. So all of that can have an effect, although there's a price to pay for eating the dead tissue. But not something that I recommend. I'm just saying it. I'm not recommending it. You know, when you start moving your energy up to your consciousness, up to yourself, this is where your energy is, not down here in the lower chakras or the lower endocrine glands. So you tend to live life here instead of down here, and it does make a difference. It just affects you that way. So on fast and things like that, you might not have that sexual urge and things that you would have before. Just interesting that way. At least that was my experience.